Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about logical operators in detail. So, what is a logical operator and when to use the logical operators? When you want to combine multiple conditional statements, we use the logical operator. The logical operators are predominantly used in if statements. When we want to check multiple conditions and based upon the multiple conditions, we wanted to execute our if block. In that case, we use the logical operators. And the logical operator always results in either true or false. When it comes to Python, the three important logical operators are AND, OR, and NOT operators. Now, we will look into an example to have a better understanding of how these three important logical operators work. First, we will start with AND operator. So, for the AND operator to work, which means to display the output as true for the AND operator, we need to have all the condition to be true. So in this example, we have two conditions. One condition we are checking the variable a is greater than 2, another condition we are checking variable b is greater than 7. So at the beginning, we have assigned a value 5 to the variable a and value 10 to the variable b. Later, we are checking the condition. Our first condition, where 5 is greater than 2, which is a is greater than 2, turns out to be true. And the second condition, where b is greater than 7, 10 is greater than 7, and this second condition also turns out to be true. Since both the conditions are true, our AND operator will result an output as true. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, true. Let's modify this AND operator and check how it behaves. In this example, we will change one of the condition to be false. For example, the second condition. So the first condition is a is greater than 2, whereas 5 is greater than 2, which turns out to be true. And the second condition, which is b greater than 50, we're checking whether the value 10 is greater than 15, and this condition turns out to be false. In this example, we have one condition as true and another condition as false. In this case, the AND operator fails and turns the result as false. Like I said before, for AND operator to display an output as true, both or the multiple logics should be true. Let's run this program and check this out. False. Since one of the conditions turns out to be false, the AND operator resulted in false. Next is OR operator. Sorry guys, just copy pasted it. Um, For the OR operator, to have an output as true, either one of the condition must be true. It is not necessary that all the conditions should be true in OR. We just need only one condition to be true for the OR operator to return an output as true. In this example, we have two variables, O and R, which having value 5 and 10. So the first condition we are checking whether O is greater than 2, which is 5 is greater than 2, and this condition turns out to be true. And the second condition is we are checking R is greater than 15, which is 10 greater than 15. This condition turns out to be false. So one condition is true, another condition is false, and we are using an OR operator in between. So the expected output should be true since one of the condition is true. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, true is being displayed. Let's modify the operator and check how the program behaves. So in this example, we are checking whether the variable O is less than 2, which is 5 is less than 2. So this part of condition fails, and in second part we are checking whether R is greater than 15, 10 greater than 15. The condition fails. So in this example, both the condition turns out to be false. So the OR operator results is false. Let's run the program and check this out. And it's displayed as false. So the next one is NOT operator. So what does the NOT operator does? The NOT operator completely reverse the output. For example, if the logic of an AND operator is true, when you pass them into the NOT operator, it inverts them and gives as false. And if the original logic is false, the NOT operator will inverse them and give them as true. Let's use this example and check this out. So we have already seen this example using OR operator where one condition is true and another condition is false. So the OR operator turns to be true. We are passing the same logic inside a NOT operator. Since the NOT operator inverses the output of this function should be false. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, it is false. So this is how the NOT operator works. When you have true as your original output, it inverses them and gives a false as your output. And it's same case for false and true. So predominantly, guys, the logical operators are used with if statement. So based upon the multiple condition, we will run our if blocks. I believe you guys understood how the logical operator works and when to use them. See you guys in the next video.